Senator Cayetano is still the Senate President because we don't have 13. It's against the law naman, di ba? We only have 12. So, well, he will be a virtual Senate President. It is what the law says. You have to have 13. We don't. We only have 12. Senate pro tempore. Acting President, acting Senate. But he's the presiding officer from now on. So, kaya hindi pumasok Senator Cayetano, it will be Win who will be presiding from now on. All seats vacant for all the committees. Simula po sa pro tempore, we cannot touch the Senate presidency because we don't have 13. Kung may lilipat pa, kung may mahimasmasan ngayon ng mga kasamahan nila, and I still urge, we're still open. Doon po sa mga members po na majority, please join us. We will accept you with open arms. Let's work together for the nation, not for ourselves, not for the political parties, not for certain individuals, but for the entire country.